Hey guys, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take a look at one of our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Duramaxes equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. This truck has a lot of cool features all around, and this particular one is based off of an LTZ trim level with the Z71 package. We're going to start up front. It has the body color front bumper. Of course, being the new generation Silverado, we have this whole new front end with Chevrolet written out, some chrome accents, and Z71. Coming up to the hood, really aggressive design. Has the satin black vinyl decal on the top, of course your Duramax logo, and then Rocky Ridge up on the windshield. Moving to this side now, some of the really awesome features. We have a set of satin black fuel wheels. They're 20 inches, wrapped in a 37-inch BF Goodrich Mud-Terrain tire. Has a really good setup, fills out the wheel wells very nicely. And then moving to the suspension, this truck has Rocky Ridge's 5-inch lift kit, gives it a really good ride height, as you can see. And then one thing I really like, we also have the emblems real quick. This is a tall truck, as you can clearly tell, but we have power running boards. Opening the door, they automatically open up, provide you with easy access to get in and out of the truck. And then when you close the door, they'll automatically fold up. We have a side step right here, of course the same wheel setup, and then the suspension components in the rear. And then finishing up with the rear end of this Silverado, we have a body colored rear bumper, and being an LTZ, of course, we have parking sensors, the backup camera, all those good features. And then just pressing up the button, automatically opens. It has a soft opening feature, and then the whole bed is finished off in bed liner. So now inside this Rocky Ridge Duramax, one thing really cool underneath this center console, this has a lockable gun safe, all finished off in metal, super durable, so you can safely and securely fit anything you need in here. It is lockable as well, which is a really cool touch. And then we have the really nice Rocky Ridge logos embroidered up on the headrest, giving it that extra touch. And being an LTZ, of course, we have a sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, all the nice leather and navigation. And then over on the other side, we even have 5 extra auxiliary ports for any additional accessories you're going to want to add to this truck, like LED lights or anything like that. Then hopping into the rear, this is a full crew cab truck, so we have the full 4-door. So much space back here for rear passengers, same weather. We have these storage pockets right here, which is a really cool touch, and the rear seats are even heated. So setting off now in the 2020 Duramax 2500, of course we got that legendary diesel engine underneath the hood. Gets you up to speed without even thinking. So much torque with the Duramax. But the thing I love the most about this Rocky Ridge truck, it drives like a factory stock truck. You wouldn't think you're in a 5-inch lifted mammoth monster truck out on the roads. And that's why we get the Rocky Ridge kits. They come from Rocky Ridge just the way you're seeing, and they are put together exactly the way you want. Everything is very high quality, very nice kit, top of the line parts. The suspension does a great job absorbing bumps. The truck drives really straight and tracks nicely. Even taking turns with it, it doesn't feel like a giant truck. It takes turns really well, very confident around town, and I just like how you can tell the quality behind it when you're driving it. So when you drive it yourself, you'll definitely notice that. And this truck is even backed by a 3-year warranty. So this truck is backed, we're backing this truck, and that's why we really enjoy having these on the lot, because they're put together just as if Chevrolet is putting them together. And then as far as the looks, of course, we just saw that this thing looks so good out on the road. Just this lift kit, the wheels, everything that they've done to it, it just has an insane look, and I'm really liking the road presence. And then moving to the inside, being an LTZ, this is a fully loaded truck, so we have your navigation, all the beautiful leather everywhere, and then all the nice amenities that you're going to expect in a truck like this. So it's a vehicle that you can actually just drive like your normal vehicle. It's comfortable as you would expect a stock LTZ to be, but then when you look around, you realize you are so high up, you have such a good view over the hood. Of course, visibility is good being a pickup, but every other car out on the road just looks so tiny compared to this. You have so much road presence and just a good view over everybody. And with these mud-terrain tires, you don't even hear them. They're not noisy or anything like that. I think the BFGs are a really good option for this truck. And then even taking sharp turns, you would never expect a lifted truck to do that without feeling a lot of body roll. So I just like how confident this truck is to drive. So there's a look at one of our 2020 Silverado Duramaxes equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. This is an insane truck inside and out, as you guys have seen. If you have any questions on it or would like to schedule a test drive and take it out on the road for yourself, you can contact us with all of our information down in the description.